Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. No, today is another vlog. Today I'm going to the hardware, so I'm just going to take you along. I'm finishing the kitchen, finally. I'm going to do that, tidy up the house, I'm going to show you the workman and all that. And yeah, so if this is the first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification, so whenever I release a new video, you can be the first to know. And if this is your second time, your third time, 100th time, welcome back. Yeah, and if you're not subscribed, don't subscribe, you understand? Yeah. So today I'm all dressed. You know, we always have on the same thing, like girl, I'm not time to look for clothes here and me feel more comfortable. So I have a mask, have a pepper spray, there's something there. So I'm going to turn on Park Hardware because the faucet that I have, I got it from England and it like some of the something they're missing. Says either I'm gonna try get the parts or I'm going to get a new one. Plus the face basin, need a racket for that because touch up off. So I'm gonna have to get them some new. Come back so the man can finish it today so we can have the kitchen for use today. You understand? Even though I'm not planning to cook. And we need to go shopping also. If you pay bills. Yeah. So I'll see you back in the next clip.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a
Long, like doing their clear glass and so.
Alright. You know what? Down.
Okay, I'm willing no more.
Push it, tell him push it to me. Not lift it up, just push it to me. Alright. Let go. No. Let go. Push that board from the edge there. Two. Right. Box flash, get up. Then the box flash.
Find the angle, see the angle, look. The angle on this one, man.
Oh. To tape it now, it should lay down. The shouldn't not go nowhere, and just a piece of box smash it not going. We give you it. Show the damage part on it. Can sign by the X. Thank you.
Alright guys, I'm just come back and I went to buy 2 things. Right? I went to buy the bracket for the sink in the bathroom. A DPH. And a nail for this faucet. No, I don't know why the manufacturer making stuff like this. Like, they make parts, they make stuff that you can't really get the parts. The only parts you can get is like this. So I got this from England. When it come, you only come with one of this, which I needed one. So I had to buy this by pair, and I paid I think $2,000 something at Tools, right? And then I realized that I didn't have the screw for here. Yesterday I went trying to find the screw, can't find it nowhere. Get one screw, still never work out. So I have to go buy this one new faucet, and in a cheap. And in a minute since I buy the cheap one, so this is the only thing that I needed. This, and this is what I got yesterday. I was trying it, but I guess it wasn't long enough, and the what do you call it? This thing here wasn't the same thing. So I had to get a brand new faucet to facilitate the old one. I kinda like this one better though. It's bigger, if you can look. It's bigger. It's taller, and it feels the same. So the reason I actually buy it though, I was like, you know what, if this go bad, you can always use this, and that time we have an next faucet. So there you go. Let's put it up. So that's that. Just now me have 5 of this. 5 holes. With some money. But oh, this one is kind of different. And let's see if it can work. If anything, you have to use these on this. One next problem this one. One next problem to work. Okay, it worked. Thank you, Jesus, it worked. Because that means I'm gonna need a different thing for this, the lock-off thing. Because these are different. Stress. So thank God it actually works and we can use this and that, and then next time I have that to put on. Anyway, I'll catch you back when we start. Start running. Mix it up. Party one clap with a baby, you know.
Work. Easy
What you can't just tell me something them? Thinner, blue, and what? So what do you like when you work? What? Like a blue coloring, really? What? You know what I like it when you work? You want to come more serious than anybody.
That's enough of it. Give yourself trouble.
Yeah, always. So that's a good dry now? Eh? That's a good dry now?
No.
Eh?
No. Tomorrow. See how I touch now.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its praise. While this hope that seems to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to say.
You say it on grey, man. Say it here grey.
How old are you?
Well then. But that don't look right though. That don't look right. Can you go right this party?
No man, that's something. No, I put the inch and a half.
Verdan.
Brenda knows that's a
I need
mistake.
this one for them happy.
I know that, I'm just out to live that, brother. I can't manage it.
No, why am I have to live with you?
Brother, this is
Every time you reach the stage where you have a wife or you reach to be in your life, you will think different, you know?
I don't know if you can think different now. I don't know.
Then get wrong size. You mad enough? They mad out there.
Them as for newcomer, they don't know what we're going on.
Yeah, this then they give me wrong something.
Standing in their shade, going louder. We are all one color. Standing in their way.
Hey guys, so this is just a little review in the vlog. So I bought this thing. It's a this string. So I'm just gonna set it up and let you see. Okay.
Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed as I bleed for you, cry for you. Oh, let me bleed.
Alright guys, so I am finished, not completely finished, but finished for now. So I just want to show you how the kitchen is looking, well, a section of it. So let me tell you, so this is a complete house, but what I did, I kind of separated myself from my cousin, make she have her own space, me have my own space, and I gave her the main kitchen and I took the living room. So I had to do a little kitchen for myself. Now, it is like 2 years work in progress where I did tiling on the floor and, you know, put the doors and so forth and get the cupboard. And now I just finished the sink, run the pipe and all those stuff, and I'm kind of pleased. What I want to do, like with this side is just like storage, so I'm not showing over there, right? Not showing over there. But eventually I want to get rid of all of these stuff, put a table in here, you know, probably just extend the cupboard a little bit and make it more kitchen vibes. Like, things in here are supposed to be temporary, so I just want to say that, just in case, you know, we open back the house and so forth, just temporary. But for now, if I'm here for 5 years, you know, I have my own little kitchen and I am comfortable. If anybody come over, I have a kitchen can use, you know, yeah. So I'm just going to show you. And I also went and bought the thing, as you see in the previous clip. So I'm just going to show you how I set it up, and let me just show you. Alright, so that's the stove. The reason why I kind of left a gap right here, because I'm saying that if I get a bigger stove, then I want it to fit in that space. I intentionally did that. The microwave is above there. You have the cabinet that have the tin stuff and all seasoning and so forth. Now this backsplash, I got it from England. My mom sent it. It was supposed to go over the floor when the floor was old, but I was like, nah, I don't like it. So I place it on the wall so that I don't have to get any tile or anything, and I can wipe it off. Right, here's the countertop. My neighbor did it. I love it so much. And I got a plumber to put in the sink and so forth. So I had 3 men working the day. I got this at the Chinese store beside Mega Mart in Portmore, and I paid $8,600 for this. So I really love it. Let me go closer. So you have where the soap stuff goes, and you have the plate rack. This is supposed to be like a fruit basket and the cup, but no, I have no fruit basket and I have a lot of cup. But eventually I'm gonna sort them out, get different, just matching colors and so forth. Have the fork tray, you have the cutting board holder. and you have these little stuff that hang those stuff. I put two over here to hang this. You have the knife rack, and that's how it look. I really love it. So that's not finished. The glass is supposed to go in there, but the person will come back yet. I want to get something to put right here to put the water on, and like I can put like fruits and so forth under there, but for now that's temporary. The fridge is right there and so forth. So that's it, and I love it. So this is just a sub kitchen of the main kitchen. I love it. I even love it better than the other kitchen. As you can see, I have my double sink, I have my faucet. I spent a lot of money on the faucet. It's like almost $10,000, and you just know, like, this is me. If I am buying something, I'm going all out. I'm just going to buy the best of the best, so that 20 years from now I'm going to have to think about buying the next one. Just as when I bought my fridge 11 years ago, I could have bought a small one because at the time I did young, I'm never really at work, but I'm looking towards the future. I'm like, 10 years from now I might, need it. And look at that, I'm even outgrowing the fridge, and as you can see, there's a space there just in case when I'm ready to upgrade my fridge. I have the space there, so I'm thinking ahead, and yeah, I love it. I'm not finished yet, but it's a work in progress. So guys, if you reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, wait, just subscribe. I know the video is not all that, but at least I'm getting the video out to you, yeah. Stay tuned for more videos, and like it if you like it, and drop a comment. Bye now.